they want. That's why follow-up is key. Use email, text, or even a missed call text back system that we are using to remind people about your free trial and encourage them to upgrade to a paid plan. Again, if you want to try our missed call text back system to see how it can actually save your business, the link is in the description down below. Just go on the free demo to see how it actually works before deciding if this is really for you or not. Okay, so the link is in the description. Okay, now let me show you how simple this can be. One, you create a landing page with a start free trial button or try a free demo button. Two, someone signs up. You collect their email. They instantly get an automated welcome email and maybe a free guide or calculator. Over the next week, you send them short tips, case studies, and reminders until they upgrade to a paid plan. That's it. That is the funnel. So to recap, a software as a service funnel starts by attracting attention, building trust, showing proof, making the offer easy, and following up until they buy. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Just start with one page, one free trial, and one follow-up sequence, and let it grow from there. And here's the best part. You don't need to build this from scratch. I've linked a free return on investment calculator and GoHighLevel trial below in the description. So with GoHighLevel, you have a 14 days free trial. So you can see how this can actually help your business, how you can start your own software as a service business if that's what you really want to do. So the link to GoHighLevel will be in the description. Start your 2 weeks free trial and thank me later. I'll show you exactly how much money you can earn with a simple SaaS funnel, and you can even start testing it today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly SaaS content, and drop a comment below with your biggest question about software as a service sales. I'll reply to as many as I can. Okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.